So we'll start with the charge 5, then we go to the flip 6, and they will be both on 80% volume. So you can clearly hear that, without the EQ, they both sound fine. I do have to say that the Charge 5 sounded better before the update. It now has some kind of muffled sound. So yeah, kind of strange that it's happening now. I do have to say that like when you have the Flip 6 compared to the Charge 5 now, after the updates, the Flip 6 has improved a lot. Of course the bass levels are still not there, but let's see how the EQ can improve or change it. So we'll now go to the EQ settings. The equalizer. I do like to keep the lows a little bit boosted up. The mids I prefer a little bit lower and a little bit highs. So with the Charge 5 I have around the same settings. I do think with iPhone it's great that you can like also watch both speakers. So same settings. So yeah, let's get started with the same song as previously. So they both will be on 8% volume and yeah, just the same song to make it fair. I will start with the Charge 5 so we can see how that performs. So this is just a short piece, but I do have to say with the EQ, the Charge 5 isn't necessarily better. But with the, like the Flip 6, you do get a little bit more in the lower levels. I do have to say only at 80% volume, because when you use the EQ above 80%, you do lose a lot of clearness. Especially with the Charge 5, you get a lot of distortion. So the EQ, I have to be honest, it could be a little bit more like bands maybe, or like with the anchor or sound commotion. It could be more, professional to call it like that. I do think it's just a little bit too simple. And I do hear that like the DSP chips inside the speakers are like doing a lot of work to keep the audio a little bit clean. Battery life, I do have to say with the Flip 6, it's not great anymore. And also with the Charge 5, you do notice a drop in battery life, not a big one. And honestly, around the clock, I do think the speakers could have been, upgrade with a little bit bigger battery, maybe like an upgrade model or the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you guys in the next one.